Middle-income Americans struggle with low savings returns. Survey reveals less than 3% earned. A new survey finds that 64% of middle-income Americans are currently earning less than 3% on their primary savings account. This is despite the fact that inflation has risen to a 40-year high, meaning that the purchasing power of their savings is declining. The survey, conducted by Santander, polled 2,200 middle-income adults in the United States. It found that the average interest rate on a primary savings account is just 0.58%. This is significantly lower than the average interest rate on a high-yield savings account, which is currently around 3%. There are a number of reasons why middle-income Americans may be earning so little on their savings. One reason is that they may simply not be aware of the options available to them. Many people believe that all savings accounts offer the same interest rate, but this is not the case. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Another reason why middle-income Americans may be earning so little on their savings is that they may be reluctant to switch banks. It can be a hassle to switch banks, and many people are simply not aware of the benefits of doing so. The survey also found that many middle-income Americans are unaware of how much they are earning on their savings. In fact, 22% of respondents said that they did not know how much interest they were earning on their savings account. The survey findings are concerning, as they suggest that many middle-income Americans are not taking advantage of the opportunity to save for their future. With inflation on the rise, it is more important than ever for people to save money. There are a number of things that middle-income Americans can do to earn more on their savings. One is to switch to a high-yield savings account. Another is to shop around for the best interest rates. People should also make sure that they are taking advantage of any savings benefits that their employer may offer. The survey findings also highlight the importance of financial literacy education. Many middle-income Americans are simply not aware of the financial options available to them. Financial literacy education can help people make better financial decisions and save for their future. Here are some tips for switching to a high-yield savings account. 1. Compare interest rates from different banks. You can use a website like bankrate.com to compare interest rates on high-yield savings accounts. 2. Consider the minimum deposit requirements. Some high-yield savings accounts have minimum deposit requirements. Make sure that you choose an account that has a minimum deposit requirement that you can meet. 3. Read the account terms and conditions carefully. Make sure that you understand the terms and conditions of the account before you open it. Switching to a high-yield savings account is a simple way to earn more money on your savings. By following these tips, you can find a high-yield savings account that is right for you.